Weather message. For the following counties in Ohio: Carroll, Coshocton, Harrison, Jefferson, and Tuscarawas. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has extended the flood warning for northeastern Harrison County and east central Ohio, northern Jefferson County and east central Ohio, Columbiana County and east central Ohio, northeastern Coshocton County and east central Ohio, Carroll County and east central Ohio, northern Tuscarawas County and east central Ohio, Hancock County in northern West Virginia until 4:15 a.m. Friday. At 9:55 p.m., radar indicated heavy rain in the warned area. Flooding occurring. Estimated rainfall up to 1 inch. Additional rainfall up to 1 inch. Some locations that will experience flooding include Weirton, New Philadelphia, Dover, Salem, East Liverpool, Columbiana, East Palestine, Wellsville, Carrollton, Toronto, Calcutta, Minerva. Please report flooding by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
Things we want to hear.
Weather message. For the following counties in Ohio: Belmont, Coshocton, Guernsey, Monroe, Muskingum, Mobile, and Tuscarawas. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flood warning for central Guernsey County in east central Ohio, Monroe County in east central Ohio, Coshocton County in east central Ohio, Muskingum County in east central Ohio, Belmont County in east central Ohio, western Tuscarawas County in east central Ohio, Noble County in east central Ohio, Wetzel County in northern West Virginia, Marshall County in northern West Virginia until 5:15 a.m. Friday. At 11:12 p.m., radar indicated heavy rain in the warned area. Flooding expected. Estimated rainfall up to 3/4 inch. Additional rainfall up to 2 inches. Some locations that will experience flooding include Zanesville, Coshocton, Cambridge, Moundsville, New Martinsville, Bellaire, Barnesville, Woodsfield, Caldwell, Shadyside, Haven City, New Concord. Please report flooding by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
And when she left, she did tonight.
Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has extended the flood warning for Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southern Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southern Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, northern Fayette County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Ohio County in northern West Virginia, Brooke County in northern West Virginia until 8:30 a.m. Friday. At 12:41 a.m., radar indicated heavy rain in the warned area. Flooding occurring. Estimated rainfall up to 3 inches. Additional rainfall up to 1 inch. Some locations that will experience flooding include Mount Lebanon, Bethel Park, Wheeling, McMurray, Greensburg, Whitten, McKeesport, Steubenville, Washington, Jeanette, Canonsburg, Latrobe. Please report flooding by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
Hallelujah, she died.
Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
got to go back.
Another message. For the following counties in Ohio: Belmont, Coshocton, Guernsey, Monroe, Muskingum, Noble, and Tuscarawas. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has extended the flood warning for Central Guernsey County in East Central Ohio, Monroe County in East Central Ohio, Coshocton County in East Central Ohio, Muskingum County in East Central Ohio, Belmont County in East Central Ohio, Western Tuscarawas County in East Central Ohio, Noble County in East Central Ohio, Wetzel County in northern West Virginia, Marshall County in northern West Virginia, until 8:15 a.m. Friday. At 12:52 a.m., radar indicated heavy rain in the warned area. Flooding occurring. Estimated rainfall up to 2 inches. Additional rainfall up to 1 inch. Some locations that will experience flooding include Zanesville, Coshocton, Cambridge, Moundsville, New Martinsville, Bellaire, Barnesville, Woodsfield, Caldwell, Shadyside, Haven City, New Concord. Please report flooding by calling 412-262-1988. Posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Weather message. For the following counties in Ohio: Guernsey, Monroe, and Noble. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has extended the flood warning for Southern Guernsey County in East Central Ohio, Monroe County in East Central Ohio, Noble County in East Central Ohio, until 8:15 a.m. Saturday. At 7:59 p.m., county officials reported flooding in the warned area. Flooding occurring. Estimated rainfall 2 to 3 inches. Additional rainfall, none. Please report flooding by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Turn around, don't drown. Most flood fatalities occur in vehicles. Generalization. Of course, every